Hello, welcome back again. So here we want to look at equation and symbol, equation and symbol. So when we say equation and symbol, this has to do with mathematical equations and some mathematical symbols. So most of the time when we answer mathematics question, we see that the font are quite special from the normal font that we use when we type. For example, there is difference between S square, this ordinary S square that I type with, and the one that we use when we make use of equation and symbol. So this is x2. If I want to make it S square, then on the font group of command, I can make use of superscript to make it x raised to power 2 now, or x base 2. I can make it to be x base 2. So it depends. But when we want to make it appear as if it is a real mathematics in nature, then there are some fonts and design that has been done for mathematics typing, so to look so special. And we can actually get this when we click on insert tab, then we make use of the symbol group of command. There we can have equation and symbol. So if I place my mouse pointer on equation, then you will surely see what I'm actually referring to. So we have it here. Then when you press alt plus equal to, then it will generate a kind of a box for you that you can actually use to type your equation or symbol. Okay, so we also have it on the symbol as well. Insert a symbol. So here you have different symbols, different Greek or Latin, Nigerian symbols like currency and so on and so forth under symbol. Okay, so for us to do this, so I just type x raised to power 2 here in a normal way, but for us to see another version that is quite different from what we have here, then I'm going to reproduce this using uh, equation. So to do that, like I said, we go to insert tab, go to symbol group or command, then click on equation. Okay, so when I click on equation like this, it's going to generate the equation for us. Now we have this, so let's take a look at this. So I can simply modify what we have here. Now I can modify this and say x 2, then if I make this x raised to power 2, then you will see that it's quite different from what we have in the first place. Okay, so I don't need this. So I think I need to get another one. Okay, let me take that again. So click on equation. So I can look for one that is very similar, or I can click on insert equation, more equation from office. So I can look for one that is very close to what I want. I want something like x raised to power 2. Okay. Okay, let me make use of this. Now I don't want this, I don't want this. Then s equal to x raised to power 2. So I can just change this. So if you take a look at this now, you will agree with me that it's quite different from the version that we type from our keyboard directly. So let me make it bigger. Then let's take a look at this. Even if it is small letter X that we use, it's still going to be the same thing. So I think we can see the difference between the two. So this look more mathematical compared to this. So I would like to give one more example on this. So let's say we have uh, 2 raised to power 2x raised to power 3 plus 5y equals 0. This is normal typing. 2x raised to power 3. So I will try to make it more bolder. Okay. Now this is direct typing from the keyboard. So I'm going to do that of the equation. So 2x raised to power 2 plus 5y. So you can see that I'm not the one, I didn't change the font. I'm only typing. So this is the only thing that I actually need to change from the equation here. So I can actually insert a symbol that will give me that. So something like this. So I can remove these two completely. So take it again. Okay, so this becomes x and this becomes 2. So if you take a look at this, these are quite different fonts. So one look more mathematical and compared to the other one. So then on the same hand, so we also have symbol that we can also use as well. So you go to insert, click on symbols. So we have different symbols. This is Naira symbol if you need it, different symbols that we can make use of. So these are recently used symbols. So and we have it in duration, series of symbols that we can make use of. So it depends on what you are trying to do. That will tell you which symbol you need to insert. So these are some of the symbols that are actually available that you can use when you are typing, depending on what you need it for. So this is how far we go on symbols. Then we're going to look at another one. So let me check my time. Okay, so I'm going to stop it here.